Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet these simple Easter eggs in one color. In next video I will crochet the same eggs but in three colors without color change. This video is very good for beginners like my English. My English is not very good, but I try it, and this is for me one way how to learn the language. I wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. For the eggs I use cotton yarn, this is Catania von Schachenmeier, and crochet hook 2.5 mm, but you can use any wool. And we need toy stuffing, scissors and sewing needle. I start with a magic ring and crochet first round 8 single crochet in ring. Seven and 8. It's pull yarn and close the ring. Mark the last stitch. Second round we crochet in spiral rounds and crochet 2 single crochet in every stitch. At the end we have 16 stitches. And 2 single crochet in the mark stitch. Again mark the last stitch. Now round 3, 1 single crochet in first stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 24 stitches. Round 4, 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 30 stitches. Round 5, increase the stitches only 3 times and 1 single crochet in first 9 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 33 stitches. Round 6, increase the stitches 3 times, but 1 single crochet in first 5 stitches, 2 in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in next 10 stitches, 2 in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in next 10 stitches, 2 in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in the last 5 stitches. At the end we have 36 stitches in the round. Round 7, 1 single crochet in first 11 stitches, 2 in the next stitch. Repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 39 stitches. Next two rounds is round 8 and 9, 1 single crochet in every stitch. From now on we will decrease the stitches. It's round 10, 1 single crochet in first 11 stitches, next 2 stitches together, but I show you the invisible version. Ten and 11, and now next 2 stitches together, but I crocheted only in the front loop. Next stitch the same, and now through 2 loops and through 2. The stitch looks better. Again, 1 single crochet in first 11 stitches, and one more time, only front loop, through 2 and through 2. Okay, and one more time, 1 single crochet in first 11 stitches and last 2 stitches together. Now we have 36 stitches in round, and around 11, 1 single crochet in every stitch. Round 12, 1 single crochet in first 5 stitches, next 2 stitches together, 1 single crochet in next 10 stitches, 2 stitches together, 1 single crochet in next 10 stitches, 2 stitches together, and 1 single crochet in last 5 stitches. We have 33 stitches. Round 13, 1 single crochet in every stitch. Round 14, 1 single crochet in first 9 stitches, next 2 stitches together, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 30 stitches. Round 15, 1 single crochet in first 4 stitches, next 2 stitches together, 1 single crochet in next 8 stitches, 2 stitches together, 1 single crochet in next 8 stitches, 2 stitches together, and 1 single crochet in last 4 stitches. Not always in the same place the stitches decrease. Round 16, 1 single crochet in first 7 stitches, next 2 stitches together, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 24 stitches. Round 17, 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, next 2 stitches together, 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches, 2 stitches together, 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches, 2 stitches together, and 1 single crochet in last 3 stitches. At the end we have 21 stitches. Round 18, 1 single crochet in first 5 stitches, next 2 stitches together, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 18 stitches. Round 19, 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, next 2 stitches together, 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches, 2 stitches together, again 4 stitches, 2 stitches together, and 1 single crochet in last 2 stitches. At the end we have 15 stitches. Now we can for the first time stuff and shape our egg. I use this wood stick. round 20, 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, next 2 stitches together, repeat to the end of round. At the end we have 12 stitches. Last round, it's round 21, 2 stitches together, repeat 6 times. At the end we have 6 stitches. Slip stitch in the next stitch. And now we can stuff the eggs the last time. And now close the hole. I sew it only in the front loop. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now pull yarn and close the hole. Now in the middle and sew yarn and our egg is finished. If you want, you can egg decorate, maybe like a chicken. You need 2 little eyes. For the beak I need only 3 chain stitches and both yarn ends sew in the body, and here above I make 7 chain stitches and the same both yarn ends in the egg. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you next time.